This is the Oculus Quest 3, the newer version. Mine was $500, so for 128 gigabytes, not too bad, in my opinion, especially for a game. Okay, let's just open it. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is what comes in the package. Ooh. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it comes with the headset, of course. It comes with the cameras for everybody that doesn't know, so it can like see your surroundings while you're playing, which is actually really cool, so you don't bump into anything or fall off anything. It also comes with the controllers, of course. I don't see like a charging port for the controller, so I guess it doesn't charge. But this, I'm pretty sure, is the charger for, yep, I was right. This is the charger for the actual headset. And that's all.